Welcome back, chemistry, to my island. Did you enjoy your short stay? Well, now we're going to do extended island vacation, where not only do you go from Adams Island to Mo Island, but you can also visit Leader Island. Would you like to go from Leader Island to Graham Island? You can go to Mo Island first and then back to Graham Island. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so just to recap here, remember what I said. You cannot go around from Leader Island to Adams Island. That is that is sharks. That is death. That is dangerous. You cannot do that. If you want to go to any island, you have to go to the mainland first and then go to and from. Now, once we're on Mo Island, if we want to go to Adams Island, we have to use Avogadro's number. If we're on Mo Island and we want to go to Graham Island, we have to use molar mass. And if we're on Mo Island and we want to go to Liter Island, we have to use 22.4. So during your island extended vacation, what you are going to do are extended two-step problems. So far, we have just been on and off Mo Island, but now you're hanging out in Graham Island and you want to add to your vacation. You want to do an extended stay. Well, let's say you'd like to tour the gas island. Then what you must do is first go on to Mo Island and then proceed on to Liter Island to go from grams to liters. Let's see how. You know if a problem is one step or two step based on how it asks the question. If there's anything to do with moles in the problem. For example, I have 2.3 moles, or how many moles is that? We are in a one-step problem. Two-step problems often do not ask for moles. Okay, they're going to completely skip the main island. They're going to ask, what if I have grams? How many atoms? What if I have liters? How many grams? So these are going to involve two steps. Now, just a reminder, one mole of anything is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms equals 22.4 liters. It's also equal to grams of molar mass. Okay, so here in my problem I have how many atoms are there in 18.2 grams of lithium. If I look at lithium on the periodic table, it's going to tell me that its atomic number is 3 and its atomic mass is 6.94. So we're going to follow the same pattern. What I'm given multiplied by my given units on the bottom and what I want on the top. And most of the time, I want to go to Mo Island first. And then over here, I will have my mole placeholder, and then what you really want goes right there. All right, so I'm going to start off with what I've got, 18.2 grams of lithium, and I'm going to atoms. There's no conversion from grams to atoms, so I must go into moles first. In 1 mole of lithium, there are 6.94 grams of lithium. And in 1 mole of lithium, or 1 mole of anything, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Okay? Now the rules of unit conversion are we multiply all the way across the top. So 18 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd gives me 1.09 times 10 to the 25th. And then 6.94 times 1 gives me 6.94. I'm going to divide the two numbers, and I get 1.58 times 10 to the 24th. My liters and gram have canceled out, moles have canceled out, and I'm left with atoms of lithium. I just want to point out that when you put this into your calculator, you probably got lots and lots of numbers, but I use 3 digits because 3 digits are my significant values, and I know that because what was given to me, what was the measured value in the problem, was 18.2, which was also 3 digits. Okay, let's do liters. Here I have 2.31 times 10 to the 20th molecules, atoms, and this problem wants how many liters. So I'm going to start with what's given, 2.31 times 10 to the 20th, and that is, for our purposes, they're the same, atoms of lithium. There's no conversion from atoms directly to liters, so we must go into moles. I want to get rid of atoms, so I use Avogadro's number on the bottom, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd in 1 mole of lithium. And this is atoms of lithium. Okay? And in 1 mole of lithium, or 1 mole of anything, is 22.4 liters. You multiply all the way across the top, that gives me 5.17 times 10 to the 21st, and then all the way across the bottom, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, Avogadro's number, and then you divide the two, and I get 0.0008595. There's a lot. Now, if I want to do the same with this number, because I have 3 significant figures, that's what was measured and given to me in the problem. In order to put this in 3 significant figures, I can't just put 0.85. That number is different than 0.00085. So I have to put it in scientific notation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.60 times 10 to the minus 4. And that is liters of lithium. I really hope that you enjoyed your extended vacation on my mole island. Tell all your friends to come and enjoy.